Hello guys, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you 5 best and most useful basic extensions for brackets that make your work easier and also increase its efficiency. So let's start. The first extension I recommend you is of course Emmet, which helps you to save a considerable amount of time while coding. What it does is simply suggests you the name of tags and attributes, and also creates the full tag when you type just the name of it. For example, if I type div and press the tab button, it creates the full tag, and also it suggests you some names of the files you want to access. So if I create the image tag and inside the src attribute and try to access my index.html file, when I write the first letter, it can show you the full name. It can also work with CSS, suggesting the properties and their values. For example, if you want to choose the property, you don't have to type it fully. Just enter the first or two letters and it will show you some options. Like if you type the BGC, it will show you some options, and among them you choose the background color. And here it can also show you the values of the property. For background color, it shows you the colors, but for other properties like cursor, it can show you the options like pointer or the other stuff. The other extension you will need to install is Beautify. The only thing it does is helps you to avoid mess and disorder in the code, and by pressing the combination of Ctrl Shift and L, you can simply make your code pretty readable. As you see in this example, the tags are in a real disorder. So to make it more understandable, I press the combination of Ctrl Shift and L, and now you see that it became easier to distinguish which tag is the parent, which tag is a child. So now anyone who enters your file can easily read your code. Next extension is called Brackets Icons. It allows you to see the type of file you're working with, so you don't have to look to its expansion. So this extension, as you see, creates this kind of icons, some brackets and some sharp signs and also curly brackets. So it will be easier for you to distinguish among the files if you are working with more than 10 or 20 files. So if you have a huge amount of files on your project, this extension is of course for you. Documents Toolbar is another extension for brackets, which is really simple, but which has its own advantages. So as you see here, there are 3 tabs on my brackets project, and I can easily navigate through them. So it was created to simplify the way people move through their files, and in the original brackets project, you would just go to the sidebar and select the file you want to work with. But after the installation of this extension, you can make this process easier, much easier. So you will also save some time because of this extension. So the last extension is called Autosave Files on Window Blur, which help you to save files automatically when you work on your brackets project. For example, when you switch from brackets window to another window, it saves your project automatically, and it's really advantageous when you, for example, work with image editor or parallelly looking for the result on your browser window. Actually, that's the end of our today's video, and I hope you got what was needed, and see you next time.